receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NWR weather radio and same alert systems. Now for the 10 a.m. observations across the northeastern United States. In Massachusetts, partly sunny and 78. In Hyannis, cloudy and 76. And in Nantucket, cloudy and 71. In the mid-60s. As well, but there is some minor forecast uncertainty. And at Block Island, partly sunny and 79. In Connecticut and Hartford, sunny and 79. In Ground, sunny and 79. And in New Haven, sunny and 79. Mostly sunny and 73. In New York City, sunny and 79 this morning. And in Iceland, mostly sunny.
Why is this not recording, bro? Like, hello? Why is it not? I had it on all FIPS, and it's just not saving the fucking alert, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm over it. Like, I'm actually over it. Like, does this have to be on or something? Like, I don't get it. I have it on weather alert, all FIPS, and I just get nothing. But this did what I wanted to do just fine. Whatever. Alright, wait for Gray now.
Warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Here is the recreation forecast for late winds to south. Today, red winds around 5 miles.
Oh, so now it decided to just randomly do that one. Okay. Because fuck me, I guess.
This is a test of NWR weather radio's warning alarm systems.
I'm gonna guess it's because of the reception that it decided to only like do the 1050 thing there, but I don't fucking know. Whatever. This did that just fine though, like again. So. This is just
water temperature 73 degrees.
I don't know. So this one off, of course, this one off.
Today, sun is in and out of clouds this morning, then clearing.
This thing's loud. It's kind of fucking loud this thing is.
Light and variable winds becoming west around 10 miles per hour.
Doesn't get good reception here, so I had to move it there. But everything here went off without a hitch.
Lows in the lower 60s. West winds around 10 miles per hour in the evening becoming light and variable. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds. The current time is 11:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NWR Weather Radio station WNG575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Monadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire.
God, I hate that this thing just can't fucking...
From around New England, in New Hampshire. In Manchester, it was mostly sunny, but temperature was 76 degrees. The 2.63.
I hate that it's rocket science just to scroll the goddamn alert on this radio, bro. Like, why does it have to be not in alert position? I don't get it. Pain in the ass.
In Concord, sunny 77.
This did not go off. Oh, because I forgot to change it back.
Sunny 77. In humid temperature was 76 degrees. And in Thursday was 76.
Forgot to change this back to WG575, so that explains that.
The temperature was 55 and the wind was south at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 17 miles an hour. In Massachusetts, Pittsburgh sunny and 81. Worcester was mostly sunny and 76. Lawrence mostly sunny and 78. Beverly mostly sunny.
So this one
and
off.
88. Boston was mostly sunny and 81. Bedford mostly sunny.
This has just not been getting a good signal recently here. I don't know why. Of course, now it's... But I'm also just going to have to retire this thing, because even though it's still going off, I'm just listening to it.
Sunday and Sunday night.
Tuner's absolutely abysmal.
76 in New York City. It was mostly.
This went off. I don't know why this didn't go off.
And now you're on the phone.
Or this.
Hampshire and Western Maine.
But fuck me, I guess. This went off just fine. This guy went. I don't know why this didn't go.
By early this evening.
This has also just been getting shit reception up here, and I don't fucking know why, bro. Like, no matter what I do, nothing works out. This, of course, went off just fine, and this also went off just fine. And over here, you saw this went off just fine. This 1050, but this time saved the fucking alert, so I don't know why. But whatever. So I guess now it's just gonna be there for 6 hours, right? That makes sense.
This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm system.
I don't know, but hopefully turning on earlier. I didn't have weather alert priority turned on, so I'm wondering if this has to be turned on in order for it to save the alert. But this doesn't really do anything, because all this does is just make sure that the radio can activate on 1050 only when it's still properly scanning like this, which doesn't make any sense to me. But if that's what's going to make it work, then that's what's going to make it work. Whatever. What do I know? And then, of course, everything here. Oh, this didn't go off, actually.
Here until midnight, then becoming partly.
Nah, I don't care about that anyway. There you go. Yes, let's keep cutting out during the fucking transmission where they're actually speaking and not just pressing the button broadcasting dead air. There you go, folks. There you have it.